motorhome is just 22.5 feet long, yet it has a massive rear garage, a full bathroom, and luxury insulation usually found in boats and aircraft. And the craziest part? It's built in Italy and costs under $230,000. This is the Wingamm Oasis 690. At first glance, this RV looks compact. But once you step inside, you realize something strange. This doesn't feel like a small motorhome at all. So how did Wingamm manage to fit big RV comfort into such a short footprint? Let's break it down. Because the design here is seriously clever. Most motorhomes are built using flat wall panels joined together like a box. The Oasis 690 is different. Wingamm uses a one-piece fiberglass monocoque shell, meaning the entire body is molded as a single structure. No seams, no joints, no weak points. That means better insulation, less road noise, fewer leaks, and long-term durability. This is the same construction philosophy used in luxury boats and aircraft, and it instantly puts this RV in a different league. Despite being just 22.5 feet long, the interior feels wide, open, and surprisingly airy. The swivel cab seats rotate into the living space, instantly expanding the lounge area. Large windows flood the cabin with natural light, making it feel far bigger than the exterior suggests. Nothing feels cramped, and nothing feels wasted. The kitchen proves this even further. Instead of a bare minimum setup, you get a proper two-burner cooktop, integrated sink, quality refrigerator, and smart counter space. Everything is positioned exactly where your hands expect it to be, which is classic Italian design. It's compact, but it actually works for real cooking. Storage is hidden throughout the cabinetry, so the space always feels clean and organized. Moving toward the rear, the sleeping area is positioned above the garage, and this is not a thin RV mattress situation. Depending on the layout, you get a permanent double bed or twin beds with good padding, proper headroom, and excellent airflow. This is a bedroom designed for real rest, not just sleeping out of necessity. The bathroom is where many compact RVs fail, but not this one. The Oasis 690 gives you a fully enclosed bathroom with a toilet, sink, and separate shower. This is not a wet bath compromise. Everything feels solid, premium, and thoughtfully designed for everyday use. Now here's the feature nobody expects in a motorhome this size. The rear garage. This garage is massive for a 22.5-foot RV. It's fully insulated, heated, and molded into the fiberglass shell, just like the rest of the body. You can easily store bicycles, outdoor gear, luggage, or even small scooters. This is the kind of storage space usually reserved for much larger motorhomes, yet it's right here. And the Oasis 690 doesn't stop at comfort. With available solar panels, lithium battery systems, and inverters, this RV is ready for off-grid travel. The water tanks and utilities are insulated and protected, making it suitable for multiple climates and year-round adventures. Of course, this level of design and construction comes at a premium. Pricing starts just under $230,000, depending on options and configuration. But what you're paying for is Italian craftsmanship, advanced construction, and a motorhome that's engineered to last. This RV isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. The Wingamm Oasis 690 is perfect for couples, solo travelers, and RV owners who want luxury without driving a massive rig. It's small on the outside, spacious where it matters, and built to a standard rarely seen in compact motorhomes. So, if you're looking for an RV that proves size doesn't limit comfort, the Wingamm Oasis 690 might be one of the smartest motorhomes on the road. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, would you choose this over a larger RV?